y'all. Let's go see what's inside.
I just look up right now and I hit that. I think I'm already back in from my baby. I don't know. He told me that everything inside is supposed to be a surprise. Okay, guys, I don't know what my baby have in here, but he told me that this should be the last one I open. Look at this. This is mommy's shirt. His mom was wearing this, and I told her I like it, and she sent it for me. She's so cute. I think I'm going to have a great mother-in-law. You're not ready for me and my mother-in-law. She sent me this. Oh, this is beautiful. My baby's shirt. I told him to send me one of his shirts. How can I say I'm going to 2 years without seeing my baby? This made me want to cry. It's fragrance. Yeah, that's his fragrance. Oh. Ah! I hate this thing. Like something was in the box. There is a card. Ah! Oh boy, come on! Baby, I love you so much. If you're seeing this video, the best thing ever that happened to my life. Oh, look at this little music box.